Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set OneDrive in the Explorer. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click on Download. After this, click on the file and you are going to wait for the OneDrive installation to complete. After that, open the File Explorer and you will see the OneDrive location available there. In the wizard, enter the email and password to use. Click on Sign In. After that, select the folder where the items will be saved. You can see the folders that are backed up. Click OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now you can complete the steps of the OneDrive installation wizard. When finished, click Open My OneDrive folder. You will have access to the folder. Here you can right-click on an element to see the OneDrive options. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.